This is an activity you can do about quarks and how they create protons and neutrons. You can use the pattern I provided, if you want to make some circles that are cut into thirds. So you make some red circles that are cut into thirds, some blue circles cut into thirds, and green circles cut into thirds. If you don't have colored paper, you can just use white paper and lightly color one of those. Now, the color doesn't really represent color. So they assign colors to quarks just because there's a property of them that they can't really come up with a better analogy for, so they use color. So it's not exactly like they're colored, but they do use red, green, and blue. So in some of your circles, you're going to put a letter U for up quark, and I put a arrow pointing up, and then write plus 2/3. So you can have some red ones, some blue of those, some green. I can't find a green. I have a green up quark here somewhere. It looks like I have all green down quarks. Okay, well anyways, you need, so some of each. You'll need some of each color. So let's see, for green, let's see, I'm gonna dig into my bag here. All right, so there's a green, so that you need some of those. And then for down, let's see, I need a blue down. I can see it's blue ups here. You need a selection, some of each. There's a blue down, there's a red down. Okay, so you need some ups and downs of each color. And of course the downs you mark with minus 1/3. That's the charge. So I used a white pencil. You don't have to use white, whatever works for you. I thought that would show up nicely. Okay, so this is pretty simple. This isn't rocket science here. You're just going to make some protons and some neutrons. So to make a proton, you need 2 ups and a down, but they have to be of different colors. So every proton or neutron you make has to have a red, a green, and a blue. So it wouldn't matter. I could switch these like this. It wouldn't matter. But I can't have like another up quark being red. Okay, so they have to be different colors. So if I want to change this, switch it out, and make it into a neutron, what I do is I would remove an up quark, because a neutron is 2 downs and an up. So I remove an up and place it with a down, but it has to be, in this case, green. Okay, it has to, you always have to have red, blue, and green. So let's see, I'll scramble it up here again. So let's make let's make another proton. Proton is 2 ups, 2 ups, and a down. So it doesn't have to be the same color combination. I can't remember what I did before, but you could have the down be red or blue or whatever. It doesn't matter what colors they are as long as they're different. Okay, and then let's switch this and make this into a neutron. I'm going to remove an up and replace it with a down, but it has to be a red down. Okay, so you can play with your paper quarks a little bit and perhaps even come up with some kind of a simple game. Scramble them. Maybe if you have nothing on the other side, you could create some kind of a little game with drawing out random quarks, and the first person to make 3 protons wins, or something like that. Maybe you can come up with some kind of a little activity to do with them.